Hey you guys, so I'm really sorry that I've been MIA on YouTube. I'm gonna try to get back into it since I'm living on my own now. My phone is falling. It's okay. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I'm gonna be renovating or polishing up or making my own DIY with this fantasy mirror. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Okay, I got this on OfferUp. It's an app where you like buy and sell and trade stuff. I got this for they wanted 20 bucks for it. But I was all like, "Oh, can you guys do 15?" And they were like, "Yeah, sure, we could do that." So I drove about 20 minutes, very close, for this beautiful artwork piece. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be painting it white. I'm gonna be adding some details, some touch-ups. But yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys could do me a favor, give me a like, comment, or subscribe. You know, it really helps the algorithm. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous and so excited at the same time. But yeah, it's gonna be, and yes, I have my Christmas tree still up in the middle of freaking February because it fits my theme. Green, frosty. I'll do a room tour very soon, very, very soon, because getting these little things here and there, like my collection of Greek architecture, my apartment's coming together very nicely. But yeah, stay tuned and let's get this thing started. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is mask the mirror. I was thinking about popping out the mirror and just spray painting the whole thing white, but I thought it would be easier, instead of breaking it and pulling it apart, I would just mask the mirrors. It's probably gonna be a little bit tough to get the small spots, but I mean, we'll try my hardest. Oh yeah, so side note, I got the masking tape at Target for like $4. I know I could have gone to the 99-cent store, probably would have been there for $1, but I decided why not just go to Target because it's right down the street. But I mean, it's not too hard to mask it. I'm just gonna have to worry about these little corners because I know that the paint's gonna get in there, so I'll probably take a sharp edge and just cram it in. Actually, finger works. That works, yeah. Anyway, let me just mask it up real quick and then I will show you guys the painting process. Okay, so apparently, I bought the masking tape for $4 when I didn't even need it. Literally, it just popped right out. How convenient is that? Okay, well, I can't return the tape, but I might need hot glue to hot glue this back on. Hopefully, I could just use like regular glue, super glue or something, which that I do have. So that was a waste of time. My OCD was kicking in and I was trying to get it perfect, but you know, you live and you learn. Anyway, I'm not frustrated. Okay, I'm gonna go paint this now. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I do live in an apartment, so I don't want to get paint everywhere. I have this spray paint. The girl said that I should use like regular just paintbrush paint, but I thought this was quicker and easier with the spray paint. So we're gonna put cardboard down, of course, to protect the wood from underneath. I'm using the Truly case. I'm not an alcoholic. That's not vodka and Truly put together. It's not, I swear. No, but here we go. I already shook it up, shook up the can, so it should be easy. I should just spray it on. Let's go. The edges are gonna be tough though. It's all good. Oh my gosh. I'm getting it on the floor. Oh well. I'll fix it later. Well, it's coming together nicely. I'm probably getting it all over my black clothes, but it's fine. It's worth it. You know, I think I'm a little bit too close because like it's really coming out liquidy. looks good. It's white. That's all that matters. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. There we go. How does that look, you guys? Aesthetically pleasing. Okay, now we wait for it to dry. Give it a couple hours. I'll get back to you guys. So in the meantime, of course, you're gonna want to clean it. I just have this bathroom cleaner. I should probably be using Windex, but it's okay. It still works. Yeah, look it. There's black paint from the before. Not cool, not cool. No, but honestly, I love it. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I'm nervous about the gluing. I don't know if I have to use special glue or whatever, but I might need to scrape all this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get a blade. Hold on. Okay, so I tried out the blade and it works beautifully. It literally just scrapes completely off. It's like it's a brand new freaking mirror. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. You guys, I love DIY stuff. If you guys want to see more like magical themed Gothic DIY adventures, then let me know in the comments, because like it could be fun to do projects for whoever's interested. But yeah, let me know, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Check it out. I have some moss to make it look aged and more a little bit realistic. Okay, so we're gonna just apply a little bit of moss in these corners and crevices to make it look, oh, well, never mind. You know what? The glue did not work. Okay. No, but we're gonna add some moss in these little crevices to make it look aged and antique looking. And so yeah, check out the finished product once it dries. So, news update. I was pressing a little bit too hard, trying to make this glue stick, and it shattered. Are you freaking kidding me? I'm a little bit upset right now, you know? I know it's fixable. I know I can find a piece of glass that can fit this eventually. I'll just have to cut it. But I'm a little pissed right now. I mean, hope, you know, it will look probably good without the mirror. But look at that. It would have been so freaking pretty with the freaking mirror, it looks okay. It looks okay without it. It's gonna look cool, but I'm still gonna add moss to the sides, let it glue properly, and just wait for it, not click it in. But yeah, that's my DIY project, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the journey, because it was a freaking messed up journey for me. Anyway, on to the next one. Before I cut myself on the... Whew, it's okay. On to the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. You know how it is. Anyway, blessed be. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so this is the finished product. I wish it had the mirror in the background. The moss looks super cool. I got it at the Dollar Tree. But yeah, I mean, it looks good. With my aesthetic, like it's pretty aesthetically pleasing. It's right above my cat's bed area. It's not too heavy. I mean, it is on a thumbtack. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's on a thumbtack, and no screws, no nails, because I don't want to like invade my policy for my renters, you know, security deposit. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. It looks okay. I'm still gonna get a mirror for the back. I have the template all ready to go. I just have to purchase it and find find where I can find some mirror backdrop. Anyway, I love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day and take it easy.